So next one is what we call quotient of power law. So this is the last one. So ang pinagkaiba lang sa product of power law is that ito divide, no, yung vertical, but the concept is the same. So we just now take a look, meron na exponent, no, ni-raise pa rin sa another exponent. So we call that one as power law, quotient of power law. Again, same pa rin. Pag wala na tayong mas-simplify sa loob ng parenthesis na to, then proceed to distribution of powers. So we have here 2, again, i-distribute lang natin sa lahat ng entity. 2 times, ano ang exponent ng 4 dito? Pag walang nakalagay, meron niyang understood na merong 1. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So it looks like this. 4 raised to the power of 2. X raised to the power of 5. So we have here 2 times 5. So x raised to the power of 10. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Now proceed sa denominator. Understood naman yan na merong 1. So 2 times raised to the power of 1, 1 pa rin naman. Kaya hindi na yan kailangan nating ilagay. Proceed directly to variable. Again, pag 1 yan, you can set aside that kasi same pa rin naman. So anyway, proceed tayo sa variable. Y raised to the power of 6. So 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Again, nandito na tayo sa x variable, no? And y raised to the power of 12. Take note, meron tayong number na merong raised to the power more than 1. So we just need to simplify that one. So we have 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So final answer, pinalitan natin yung 4 raised to the power of 2 sa 16. Kinopya lang, then pagkatapos nyan, kinopya lang natin ang variable. So final answer, 16x raised to the power of 10, y raised to the power of 12. Another example, x squared y squared divided by a raised to the power of 4 raised to the power pa rin ng 3. Again, ang numerical coefficient is understood na 1. So, pwede na yung hindi ilagay kasi 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Diba? Looks like this. 1 times, meron yung raised to the power na 3. So, kung magiging 1 raised to the power of 3 yan, kung i-simplify yan, 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1 pa rin naman. So, again, pwede na yung hindi pwede na yung i-set aside. So, dito na lang tayo sa variable. So, x raised to the power of 2. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Again na, nandito pa tayo sa numerator. Y raised to the power of 2. 2 times 3 y is equal to 6. Now, proceed sa denominator. A raised to the power of 4. Kasi 4 lang, a lang nandito. A raised to the power of 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Wala na tayong masisimplify dyan. No? Walang parehas sa horizontal, walang parehas sa vertical. Therefore, that's the final answer. Okay?